Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about 10 really cool new features that you will be able to find on your device running iOS 16. Even though Apple has presented us some of the new features of iOS 16, there are always hidden features that are really amazing, and most of them actually super useful. So in this video, I will show you guys 10 of the coolest features that you will find on iOS 16 that you probably don't know about. Here is the first one. This is really good. So you can see right there I have a number. It says 1000 grams. Now this is really interesting. When you have something like this, maybe like a weight or money or something that you have written, maybe on the Notes app or anywhere on iOS, what you can do is actually just tap on it and it will show you the conversion. So you can see 1000 grams, it will convert it into kilograms, ounces, and pounds as well. This is really good. You don't actually need an app to convert this, or just ask Siri to convert it, or do it on the Spotlight search. All you have to do is tap on it and it will show you the conversions right here, and also give you the ability to just tap on that, and of course it will copy it to the clipboard of your device. Super useful, will make converting on your device very fast and easy. Now here's another one. You know that on iOS you can shake to undo on your device. You can do that with text. Let's say you type something wrong, you just shake your device, you can undo. You can actually even shake again to redo, but that now works on photos as well. What I'm talking about here, you delete a photo, so let's say I delete a photo by mistake. I don't have to go back to the recently deleted album to actually recover this photo. All I have to do is shake the device. You can see it gives me the option to undo right now. Tap there, and then we have the image back on the library. When you want to set a wallpaper on your device, you know that not all images will fit your device and will have basically the dimensions it needs to be a wallpaper. Well, what you can do with iOS 16 is crop it as a wallpaper. That's a new option. You can do that simply by going to the editing tool on the Photos library, and when you go to crop your device right there, you can see now you have also the option for wallpaper. So you tap right there and it will match the wallpaper dimensions as easy as that. Tap done. Now you have a photo that will actually fit the wallpaper of your device perfectly. If you have seen WWDC 2022, the presentation of iOS 16, you know there's a feature which lets you easily remove the background from photos. So any photo where you have a subject in the focus, you can easily tap and hold to remove the background from that photo. Well, that can be done on videos as well. So here I have a video. All I have to do is pause the video here. I can tap and hold there. You can see now I can go ahead and just remove the subject from this photo. So of course, from this video, actually I can go ahead and then use it anywhere I want, as easy as that. So removing the background not only works on the photos, it will also work on videos as well. On iOS 15, you will have the ability to filter your photos on albums. So you can filter any photos you want, like filter photos, videos, edited photos, favorited photos, and all that. But with iOS 16, you can actually do that on the camera roll as well. This is really good. It didn't work before, it works now with iOS 16. So when on your camera roll, you tap right there on the three dots, and what you will get here is the ability to filter your photos. So you can see right here you have show only. Now you can choose to show only your favorited photos or videos, whichever you have, only the edited one, and then you have also photos, videos. So you can see right there when I tap on show all, it shows 525 videos, but if I just choose photos, it will remove all the photos from the library. Here, of course, it has an indicator there that a filter is active, and it shows you only the photos that you have on your camera roll. So if you're trying maybe to find a video or a photo you have edited, this filter will work really well, and of course it will make it for you very easy to find the specific photo or video that you need. A really cool new feature of iOS 16 is the ability to have like dynamic wallpapers on the lock screen and home screen of your device. So whenever you unlock your device, you will have a new wallpaper, but that not only applies to the lock screen, it will apply to the home screen as well. Here's how to do that. Let me just unlock my device real quick. So on the lock screen, you tap and hold here to go to customize. Of course, you will have your wallpapers here. Now what you can do is create a shuffle. So you tap the plus button here and then tap right there on photo shuffle, and here it takes you to your photo library. You go ahead and pick the wallpapers that you want to use. So you can pick the wallpapers here, whichever wallpapers you want to use on the home screen and lock screen of your device. So you can see I have a bunch of different wallpapers here that I can pick. And now you tap the add button. Once you have done that, what you will need to do here is tap on the three dots. When you tap there, you have shuffle frequency. Now if you tap here, it will give you the option to choose on wake or untap. Now if you choose unwake, every time the phone wakes the screen, it will change the wallpaper. Let's just try that out. So tap done here. Now we're good to go. It has saved this, and of course it will be applied here. You just go ahead and choose that. So here we have it. Let's choose it. And now you can see every time the phone will wake up, we will have a new wallpaper on our lock screen. But the cool thing is that it works on the home screen as well. So let's just unlock here. So when I go to the home screen, here's the wallpaper that I have. Lock the device, brand new wallpaper, unlock again. Here we go, on the home screen, we have a new wallpaper. So this is really cool. You can choose as many wallpapers as one and have a different wallpaper anytime you unlock your device. The Files app also got some really cool new features which actually are very useful. One of them is the ability to convert images directly from the Files app. You can do that pretty easy. You tap on the image you want to convert, you tap that little arrow right there and tap on export. Once you do that, it will give you file format, so you can actually export it on different formats. So this is a PNG image. I can just convert it from here. You can see we have the image size, so you can choose the original or choose a new size. So let's just go with original, and just like that you will have this image converted. And of course you can pick here wherever you want to save it, tap on save, and you're good to go. The ability to remove the background of photos on iOS 16 is really cool, but did you know that that will work on the Files app as well? So if you have a photo saved on the Files app, you don't actually need to go to the Photos app to do that. You can do it from here. So you tap and hold the subject right here, and you will be able to, just like that, crop it and of course remove the background. Then you can drag it, or you can even copy it anywhere you want. So if you just want to copy it, you tap and hold there, and you can go ahead and copy it, or tap the share button and you can then just go ahead and share it anywhere you want, or even save it as a picture. Now here is another really cool feature of iOS 16. When you want to share contact, now you can choose what you want to share. Previously, you share contact, you share every information about that contact. Now, if I tap share contact, I can tap here on filter fields, and it will show me the information I have about that contact. So all the fields here, I can choose whether I want to share the picture or not, and then choose whatever else I want to share. So let's just say I want to just share the number, and of course maybe an account. I can do that from here. Tap the done button and you're good to go. You have filtered that contact, and you can share only the specific information you want to. And last but not least, a really useful feature of iOS 16, this feature will hold the iPhone from charging when it gets too hot. Now you can see right here, this is a screenshot I got from iOS beta on Reddit, and it tells charging will resume when iPhone returns to normal temperature. Now you probably know that high temperatures and very low temperatures will risk the battery of your iPhone. So when your iPhone gets too hot, maybe you have like a fake charger, or the temperature where you're charging the phone is too hot, or you have maybe like a bulky case, that will heat up the iPhone and will damage the battery. Well, now iPhone prevents that from happening by holding on the charging until the iPhones get colder. So that is it for this video, guys. These are 10 really cool new features that you can find on iOS 16 that you probably didn't know about. Thank you guys for watching the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed this one and subscribe for more videos like this. And I will see you on the next video.